Okay, so what we're going to be cooking today, we're going to be cooking a Angus tenderloin steak. And we've trimmed the tenderloin, removed all the silver skin off it, taken it off the bones. In here we have 3 small medallions.
Angus beef kasi is a short term for Batangas beef. About 98% of our beef products are imported. By putting new technologies, new ways of raising animals, ay nakapag-produce tayo ng quality beef na pwedeng itapat sa mga imported. Ang ating mga baka, dahil tayo ay sagana sa damo, 100% grass-fed sila.
So our ingredients are going to be some olive oil, fresh sea salt, ground black pepper, chopped garlic, and some fresh rosemary from the farm here that's been chopped up. Rosemary, garlic, salt and pepper is simple, quick and easy, and one of your basic herbs and spices that'll really complement beef. That's it, that's done. Okay, the secret to cooking a good steak is a hot grill. The idea behind that is you want to sear your steak as fast as possible. So what we're going to do is just start placing it on the grill here. See how that smoke comes off right away? That's what you want to see. And what we want to do is we want to turn the steak on the grill 2 times on one side, 2 times on the other side, so you get an even, perfect checkerboard mark. Time to time you can shut it and it'll cook a little quicker. So here we have a nice well done. You can tell by touch. It's nice and firm. And there we go. There's some fresh Angus steak right off the grill.